How to create real MetaTrader 4 account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a real MetaTrader 4 account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So the first thing is you need to download the MetaTrader from Google Play Store. It is easily available on Play Store. You may just download it from there. After that, you may just open the app. So in order to create a real account, you need to contact your broker. So I'm just gonna tell you a demo on how you can do it. After contacting your broker, you just need to follow the steps. So tap on the open demo account. Just tap on your broker account, a broker company. After that, tap on your broker company, and here you need to enter your name, your phone, your email, and your account type, leverage, and deposit. After that, just tap on create account and just buy that. And after that, just follow a few steps, and that's how you basically create a real MetaTrader 4 account very easily. So therefore, by following those methods, you can create a real MetaTrader 4 account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.